Hi, I am Puneet Prabhu and welcome to my channel Solutions for MSO. So, today we are going to learn about basics of Power Query, and these are the topics we will cover. So, first is from folder, second is from table, third is merge queries, fourth is exception report, fifth is subtraction, sixth is division, and seventh is updating new data with refresh. For this, we require a set of specific tools. So, the following Office versions for Windows are supported for Power Query. Those are Microsoft Office 2016 versions, Microsoft Office 2013 versions, Microsoft Office 2010 Professional Plus with software assurance. Both 32-bit and 64-bit are supported. Power Query is not compatible with any Mac versions of Excel yet. And if you don't have these versions, you will need to upgrade to use Power Query. So now let's move on to data. So I have prepared a raw data folder. In that I have sales data. In sales data I have current year data. In current year I have April month's data. So we will now input this in our report. So let's go to data tab, new query, from file, from folder. So in this window you can paste the path of the file and click OK. Then in combine and section, combine and load. Then select the sheet one. You will get a preview of the data. Click OK. So here we go. Here is the data. Double click it and open it. As you can see, the data is populated at the back end of Power Query. Let's close it. So now we have completed our first step of from folder. Now let's move on to our second step, from table. So there is another sheet, master. There are two masters, sales head master and sales state master. In Excel, we normally do VLOOKUP to bring certain columns which are matching to a column which are already in our data. So I have salesperson data in my main data. I want to bring sales head, and I have place in my data. I want to bring state in front of that column. So let's remove the tables. Data from table. Input to only create connection, load. Now second table, from table. Here we go. load. Let's go back to our main data. Now so next topic was merge queries. So let's merge the tagging files. Sales head master. Select salesperson column in sales head master and same column in our sales data. As you can see, all 35 rows are matching. If there is any variation, you will get here indication like if 30 out of 35 are matching. In merge query, there are total 6 types, but we currently are using left outer, that is all from first matching from second. I will explain you in detail regarding the merge query and all the 6 types in next video. Currently, we will use left outer. Click OK. Then click on expand. Select the sales head. Remove the use original column name as prefix. Click OK. As you can see, the column gets populated here. Now next, if we want to bring state, click on merge query, select state master, select place, and here also select place. So as you can see, the master is incomplete. So only 29 out of 35 rows are matching. Let's go ahead with it. Expand. Now as you can see, there is a null value, which means these certain place masters. So as you can see, there is no master in front of sick. In normal lookup, we will get an error saying #NA. Here we will get null. So let's create an exception report. Let's make a duplicate. Name it as exception for yeah. Here we go. We don't need other columns. Place, state, and let's remove duplicates. So we have only one place with no master. Let's close and load to table. Here we go. Let's name it exception. So we don't have any state in front of Nasik. So let's copy it. Save it. Put data. As you can see, there are 0 rows. The master has been updated. As you can see, there are no gaps in masters. Now next is subtraction. So as you can see, we have around 10 to 12 columns: bill date, party name, place, salesperson, description of goods, quantity, unit, rate, value, category, cost, state. Find out the profitability of a product. We have sales and cost. So let's create a new column for profitability. Go to add column, custom column. Select the column taxable value minus cost. Here we go. We have profit. Now let's change the data type to decimal numbers. Now one more step we are going to do for division. Division is we have rate for per unit of sales. We want rate per unit of cost. So we will go to custom column, cost, rate. Divide by quantity. Okay, we got cost rate. You can just add the change type here and also change so these steps are created as you perform various steps for Power Query. You can change them or delete them and do it again. So for example, I deleted the change type. So I can just select data type and decimal numbers. So as you can see, it has been done for both the columns. So all the steps are recorded here. And if you want to see the step for M language, you have this advanced editor where all steps are recorded and it is called M language. Now you can close and you can load it as a table in new worksheet. named as sales data. So as you can see, our new columns are updated: sales rate, state, profit, and cost rate. So this was for only 1 month. Now, if you see, you get data for next 2 months or 1 month. So I have already prepared two sets of data. I will move it to this folder, June and May, and paste it in our folder. Go to data and click on refresh all. As you can see, the data has been updated for April, May, and June. You don't need to copy paste like you do in Excel. You don't need to write formulas, lookup for your masters. All your formulas are updated automatically. Now, as you can see, our master is incomplete in the state column. So just go to the exception report. As you can see, there are total 9 items which need masters. Copy it, go to the master table, this got repeated. Maharashtra. As you can see, there are no exceptions. And the master is updated. So here we go. We have 3 months data. Save it. And the size of the file is just 267 KB with 3 months data. We have covered topics, 27 topics. So you can save your manual work of copy paste of your new data, writing new formulas, checking the masters, by filtering the data. It is very hassle free in Power Query. It just takes hardly 2 to 5 minutes just to refresh and check, verify the data. It will save a lot of time using Power Query and reduce your daily manual work of copy paste, and you will get more time for analyze the data. Thank you. Hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe and share.